Vehicular and human traffic along the axis of Gwenge Street within the capital city of Maiduguri has been slowed down. This followed the recent flood that submerged shops and houses close to the main road. The heavy flow of water passing under the bridge swept through thousands of houses in the communities of Gwenge, Sabongari, Fori, among others, forcing residents to now rely on canoes to access their homes, with few able to evacuate their properties. The disaster didn't spare some local governments like Bama, Biu, Goza and Dikwa, where houses and farmlands were destroyed.